Your garbage disposal is a workhorse in the kitchen, but over time, food particles can build up, leading to unpleasant odors. If you've noticed a funky smell coming from your sink, don't worry. A simple, regular cleaning can make a huge difference, and you can do it yourself with a few household items. Before you do anything else, the most important step is safety. You must disconnect all power to the garbage disposal. You can either unplug the unit from the wall outlet under your sink, or if it's hardwired, turn it off at your home circuit breaker panel. Never proceed without ensuring the power is completely off. With the power safely off, use a flashlight to look down into the disposal chamber. If you see any large, non-food items like silverware, bottle caps, or other objects, use tongs or pliers to carefully pull them out. Never, ever use your hands to reach inside a garbage disposal, even with the power off. The next step is to scrub the inside. A great way to do this is by filling the disposal about halfway with ice cubes. For extra cleaning power, you can add a handful of coarse salt, like rock salt. The ice and salt will act as a natural abrasive scrubber, dislodging grime and buildup from the grinding elements without using harsh chemicals. To tackle the odors and leave your sink smelling fresh, add a few peels from a lemon, lime, or orange. The citrus peels not only smell great, but their acidic oils also help to naturally clean and deodorize the unit. Avoid using bleach or harsh chemical drain cleaners, as they can damage the disposal and your pipes. Now, you can restore power to the unit. Turn on a strong flow of cold water and then turn on the garbage disposal. Let it run until you hear the grinding stop and all the ice and citrus peels have been flushed away. Continue to run the cold water for another 30 seconds to ensure everything is cleared completely through the drain pipes. If you've tried cleaning your disposal, but it still has a persistent odor, frequently clogs, makes a loud humming noise without grinding, or is leaking from the bottom, it may be a sign of a more serious issue. These problems often require professional attention to diagnose and repair safely. For plumbing problems big and small, it's always best to trust the experts. If your garbage disposal needs professional repair or replacement, contact the team at Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit them at blackmountainplumbing.com or call today for fast, reliable service.